friend, this is I Old Monk, and today we are with the Xiaomi Redmi Go. This is the global variant. We are going to do the unboxing in this video. We have a 5-inch of display. We are getting a quad-core processor, 3000 mAh battery, 8 megapixel rear camera. Now talking about the RAM, it has a 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB internal storage. It is a blue color variant. Now another color what is coming in the for the device is the black color, and here we see the ocean blue kind of color. We are just booting the device so that it gets booted. In the meanwhile, we will check out the box content. In here you can see there is a SIM card ejector tool, there is a user guide coming with the box, and there is a adapter with the charging cable. There is no earphone coming with the box. Here you can see it is a micro USB charging cable. And talking about the charger, here you can see the charger is a normal charger. It is fast charge or not. You can pause the video and check out the rating of the charger. Now talking about the device, it has a 5-inch HD display. It has a 5 megapixel front camera, and it has bezels. On the side what you are getting is the power button and the volume rocker keys, and at the back you are getting a flash with 8 megapixel rear camera. There is a Mi branding. On the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack with a noise cancellation mic. On the side you are getting a 2 slots, which we will talk about later. In the bottom we are getting a noise cancellation mic with the speaker grills and the micro USB charging slot. It comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and now I will show you the slots what we are getting in the device. So talking about the first slot, in the bottom side you are getting this, which is a SIM 2 slot and a micro SD slot. Now talking about the SIM 2 slot, it is a nano SIM card support, and there is a expandable storage also given at the same time. And we are also getting a SIM 1 slot which is supporting the 4G VoLTE. Now I will tell you one more thing, the SIM 2 slot will not support the 4G VoLTE. It will support 3G or 2G according to the variant. In this is a global variant. This supports only 2G, but the Indian variant may support 3G also. Now talking about the device price point will be interesting with the specs what is given by Xiaomi, because the price is definitely within the attractive. This is a Go edition, not more than 1 GB supportable in the device. Going through the specs again, it comes with the display of 5-inch, which is a HD IPS LCD displays there. It comes with the quad-core processor Snapdragon 425. Here you can see Android 8.1 Oreo, which is a Go edition. It has a 3000 mAh battery, which is definitely a very big battery considering the device. Talking about the RAM, it is coming with the 1 GB and the internal storage is 8 GB. Now according to my expectation, the price point for this device will be around 4000, and where it is 1 GB and 16 GB internal storage, which you may see as another variant, it may cost around 5000. Talking about the bloatware, it doesn't have any apps like that, but it comes with its own internal browser, which is a Mint browser. It comes with a new launcher, which is a Mint launcher, not the MIUI launcher what you have seen. It has some basic apps, which is a Go edition apps, but not talking about that, we will also post the video on the gaming of the device and the camera section separately for Redmi Go. This is all about the Xiaomi Redmi Go. This is I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.